Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change currency in KuCoin. Whether you want to switch between USD, EUR or your local currency, you can easily change your currency in the KuCoin application or websites. First of all, launch open the KuCoin app or website and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of KuCoin after logging in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner or at the bottom right depending on your app version or your device. Once you open up this section, scroll down and look for Settings and tap on it. Under Settings, select Currency. Now, choose the currency you want from the list. Tap on any one currency you want to change to and all balances, price and charts should now show in your selected currency. If it does not update immediately, make sure to refresh your home page for KuCoin. And that's how you successfully change your currency in KuCoin. Now you can view your balances and trades in your preferred currency without any confusion. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.